welcome to Electrical Maker. We are already discussing about push button in MV and HV electrical feeder panel, and the topic we have covered is definition, parts, and types and working principle of a push button. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about typical application and technical specification. Our first slide is about typical application 1. Consider a circuit where you can see here a circuit. Let's go step by step. First, here you can see a PB1 as a step type push button and a PB2 as a spring return type of push button. Now, let's see a working of this circuit by step. Step 1. Connect the axle supply 24 volt DC. You can see here 24 volt DC supply is given to this circuit. Next one, step 2 is return turn on the MCB 1. You can see here MCB 1 is connected to this circuit and turn it on. Next, observe the supply extends to the push button 1 and push button 2. Now you observe the supply after turning on the MCB. You can see a supply extends to a PB1 and PB2. Next, after observing, next step 4 says that press the push button PB1. Next, you should press the push button PB1. After observe that the lamp H1 will glow continuously. You can see lamp H1 glow continuously after pressing PB1. After that, press the step 6 says that press the PB2 push button, and step 7 says that observe the lamp H2 glows. Whenever we press this push button 1 and push button 2, then only the H1 and H2 lamp will glow. This is the use of push button in this circuit. Next, typical application 2 we are going to see in next slide. A typical application 2 about of push button. You can see a circuit here which is different from the application 1. Let us consider a typical circuit here, and PB1 and PB2 are step type of a push button. Here PB1 and PB2 are connected in this circuit. These two are step type of push buttons. Next, connect the aux supply to the 24 volt DC. You can see a 24 volt supply DC supply is connected to the circuit. Next one is step 4. Press the sorry. Next one is step 2. Step 2 says that turn on the MCB M1. Next, after connecting the supply, turn on the MCB. Turn on MCB means you should on the MCB. After that, step 3 says that observe that the supply extends to the push button PB2. Yes, you can see a supply first supplies to the PB1. After that, PB2. After that, you can see uh, sorry, it should be PB1 and here also PB1. Step 4 says press the start the push button PB1 here. You should start it PB1. So I am going to change this PB1 and here also PB1. Then the supply comes to a PB1. After that, observe the lamp will glow continuously. No, the lamp will not glow because the PB2 is not pressed still. After that, when we press the PB2 button, then the button will then the lamp will glow. Observe that the supply will stop the lamp. When in these two push buttons, you can see here these two types of push buttons are stay put push button. So the supply is like the push button is like toggle switch which is present in your home. So the supply will cut. Whenever you press, then only supply extends to the lamp. Before that, it will not extend to lamp. Both the push button should be on position only. That's it in this typical application. Next, we are going to discuss typical specification of this push button. You can see this type of a push button is an spring return. It is in red color and 22.5 mm diameter. This type is spring return. It is written. This push button is spring return type. Color is red. The color manufactured color is in red color. Diameter is 22.5 mm and the content will be 2 NO and it is flush mounting. You can see it can be mounted in the door cutout of the electrical panel. And the next one is technical specification, frequently used models, and this means this type of a technical specification used in the industries. Different types are there, different colors are there, different diameters are there, different contents are there, different types of mounting are there. You can see these types of used in industries. First type, this can be step or spring return type. Color may in different red, yellow, blue, green, white, etc. And diameter 22.5 mm, 10 mm, 30 mm, etc. And content will be 2 NO, 3 NC, 1 NO, 1 NC. If you are not understanding what is NO and NC, please comment below. I am going to make the full video on this topic. Mounting. Flush mounting. It is an flush mounting type of push button. Okay guys, that's all about this video. We already learned about a push button in this video. Next video is of a different video, that is an emergency push button. For that, stay tuned. Electrical maker.